Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. I'm Ravi and I'm the developer advocate at Hoppscotch. And I'm super excited to share some exciting news with you guys. Hoppscotch is partnering with the TestMu Conference 2023 and we can't wait to showcase our latest and greatest features at our virtual booth. At the conference, we'll be diving deep into how Hoppscotch is revolutionizing API testing, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. From automating API testing to exploring its advanced features, we've got you covered. The TestMu Conference 2023 is the place to be for over 10,000 testers, developers, and thought leaders. So mark your calendars from 22nd to 24th August and make sure to visit our booth. Join us for an enriching experience filled with valuable insights, networking opportunities, and a sneak peek into the future of API testing with Hoppscotch. See you all at the TestMu Conference 2023. Let's make it a memorable one together. Cheers.